Good morning all of you. This is yoga class part 10. Today, for a change, our yoga class divided into two parts. Rohit will demonstrate the first part. Come, let's see.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Nondi of class 3. I will show you the first part of yoga class 10. I will perform two asanas. First I will show you Uttasana, then I will show you Kapotasana. These two are back stretching asanas, so it mainly increases the strength of back muscles. So let's start. Thank you.
Now students, for our second part, Rishi will demonstrate. Let's see what he does.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Pal of class 7. Welcome to second half of yoga class part 10. I will show you hand variation, Bhujangasana and Balasana. Balasana is the best to reduce stress and tension. It also helps in relaxing your body after heavy workout. Most important function of hand variations of Bhujangasana helps to reduce back ache and stiffness of spine. Friends, after performing Balasana, always sit in Vajrasana for at least 1 minute.
So everyone, you saw today what Rohit and Rishi taught us. These asanas together are really useful for reducing light back pain. But if you are having heavy back pain, do consult a doctor. Thank you class. That's all for today. See you all in next week.